How y'all doing? I hope you're having a good day. I've been trying to grow some green okra over here, and you can see what's been happening. First ones that popped up, well, they died already. Not good. Maybe I picked the wrong spot. Maybe this fence over here is cooking them. I'm not sure. But here's some more that seem to be doing okay. Another one. Nothing came up there. Some more there. One little one there. And so you see the pattern. We'll see how this ends up as far as whether or not it's a success or a failure. I'm tempted to start growing them in the understory just to see if there's going to be any kind of difference in the survival rate. But I'm still keeping these ones on my radar, giving them a chance. Maybe they'll survive, maybe they won't. But we'll find out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates.